show that 3 bracket sin theta minus cos theta bracket raised to 4 plus 6 bracket sin theta plus cos theta bracket square plus 4 bracket sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta independent theta, means eliminate theta completely from this example. So we write this first up to this 3 bracket this up to plus 4 sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta. Okay, then here we write this way. This is raised to 4. We write this way, sin theta minus cos theta bracket square and bracket square. Here square into square, laws of indices, to a raised to m raised to n, means a raised to m into n, plus here sin theta plus cos theta bracket square, a plus b bracket square. What is a plus b bracket square? A square, no, a square means sin square theta plus b square, no, plus 2 sin theta into cos theta, means a plus b bracket square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, here plus 4. See this, we don't know formula for raised to 6, so we convert it into cube and square. Sin square, sorry, theta bracket cube, 2 into 3, a raised to m raised to n plus cos square theta bracket cube. Did you get it? Therefore, series 3 bracket, here a minus b bracket square means a square plus b square means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this bracket square plus series 6 in bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 formula, this is formula, plus 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, this is formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this is bracket, plus series carefully a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube means series first bracket a means sin square theta plus b means cos square theta. Okay, then remaining I will write here below because that will take more space, so we write here from this. Okay, a square, see here a cube plus b cube means a plus b means sin square theta plus cos square theta into a square means sin raised to 4 theta. Okay, here plus, so we write here minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, plus means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, b is our cos raised to 4 theta. Did you get it? This is our expansion of sin square theta bracket cube plus cos square theta bracket cube. Now is equal to, see here, 3 in bracket Sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta bracket square. Here 6 into 1 6 plus 6 into 2 12 sin theta cos theta, okay, plus 4 into sin square theta cos square theta means 1 into this 1 don't write here, 1 into something, then that term. Okay, now we rearrange this properly. See this carefully. Sin raised to 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta minus, see here I have written here plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, but already here minus, no, then we want minus 1 sin square theta cos square theta, but I have written here 2 plus 2, then we write here minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2, what is answer? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, and here we write sin square theta into cos square theta. Did you get it? 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. See this here 3 in bracket. Now 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta bracket square. I will keep this as it is because this will take more time and more space. Okay, therefore see this a minus b bracket square, a minus b, this is a, this is b, bracket square, then what is a square, no, a square minus, here minus, no, therefore see this 1, when we take 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta bracket square, then what happens? 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into minus 2 sin theta cos theta means minus 2 sin theta cos theta, then here we write 4 sin theta cos theta plus a square means 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1 2 into 2 4, and this, now square of this 2 square 4 sin square theta into cos square theta, okay, plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta, okay, now plus 4 bracket, see here sin raised to 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta, this is perfect square of sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is perfect square of this, minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Did you get it? Therefore we write here 3 into 1 3 minus 3 4 ja 12 sin theta cos theta plus 3 into 4 12 sin square theta into cos square theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus series, this is 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1, 4 into 1 4 plus into minus minus 4 into 3 12 sin square theta into cos square theta. Did you get it? Now see this, minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta. No, here plus 12 sin square theta into cos square theta minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta, cancelled. Then what is left? 3 plus 6 plus 4. What is answer? 13. Means we have completely eliminated theta and completed our answer. Answer is 13. Did you get it? Answer is 13. Then same question series, same to same question, instead of series, show that 3 bracket sin theta minus cos theta bracket raised to 4 plus 6 bracket sin theta plus cos theta bracket square plus 4 bracket sin raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6 is equal to 13. This is another question, same to same. Instead of independent theta, this is example. Then we write everywhere here LHS, same to same, everything is same, only we put here LHS. Then we obtain LHS 13. LHS is equal to 13, but this 13 is our RHS. This way also we prove, means this example appears in two ways. Show that this way and independent theta, and secondly is equal to 13. Did you get it? Same to same,